OnEnglish presents creative ways of using the word bird. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Used to say that it is better to keep what you have than to risk losing it. If I were you, I would accept the money now. After all, it's a case of a bird in the hand. Birds of a feather flock together. Used to say that people with similar interests are always together. I think John is dishonest because of his friends. You know, they're all birds of a feather. Kill two birds with one stone. Solve two problems at one time with a single action. I have to cash a check and make a payment. With one trip to the bank, I'll kill two birds with one stone. Want to know more? Subscribe to OnEnglish Online on YouTube. Thanks for watching.